Yeah, this 2013 RX 350 was brought to me from out of state, Lagos, to do a facelift for it to a 2024 and some other basic job on it. So I want to carry you guys along to see the process of how I upgraded the car. So all the kits have arrived. These are the old bumpers and these are the back, the front, and these are the kits here. I also got a kit, that's the mud guard here, put on it. Then these are the front bumpers been taken out. On the back too, the rear, it's already taken out, so take out the back light as well. So it's quite a lengthy task. So we are still on it. We don't need to tamper the side mirror because it's already having its pointer. So that's it. So these are the distance sensors, the radar cruise sensors being installed on the new bumpers, being connected, as you can see. So we'll install the radar sensor back on the car. That's it there. So it's the bumper here. That's for the rear. The front too will be installed as well. It's plastic primer on it there, so that it won't peel off after we are painting it. That's plastic primer. Same plastic primer on it. So, but correction is being made on the places that are not as apt as we want them to be. The tank cover, we've not fixed it. I'll take it to the rewire to pay attention to it after this job is being. Right. This is the rider height. 10 inches off the ground. So perfect, the light is giving full HD.